Ever wish you could magically turn a brutal 40-page research paper into 5 crystal-clear insights instantly? That's exactly what DeepSeek does. And honestly, it feels a little bit like cheating. All right, let's be real. Studying in 2025 hasn't gotten any easier. Textbooks are thicker, exams are tougher, and let's face it, your time hasn't magically multiplied either. But what if I told you there's a smarter way? Meet DeepSeek, the AI study buddy that's less robot and more like that genius friend you always wished you had. No complicated setup, zero headaches, just instant clarity and efficiency. In this video, I'll show you exactly how DeepSeek can help you tackle dense chapters effortlessly, simplify calculus proofs step by step, and even make studying enjoyable again. By the way, if you want exclusive guides, in-depth tips, and the absolute best resources to master DeepSeek, check out the link in the description and in the pinned comment. And since over 80% of you aren't subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button, like the video, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my high-value AI guides. So, DeepSeek runs on 2 ultra-smart engines. First, there's DeepSeek V3. Think of it as your super-fast summarizer, perfect for instant chapter summaries, translations in any language, and crafting quick essay outlines. Then you've got DeepSeek R1, your meticulous thinker. It doesn't just give answers, it shows you the full logical breakdown, whether you're debugging complex code or unraveling multi-step math problems. Summarize this 30-page genetics chapter into a concise 300-word overview. Here's how straightforward it is. Literally just drag your messy notes, PDFs, or slides into DeepSeek. Need a quick abstract for your paper due tomorrow? V3 will get it done. Struggling with complex theories like Maxwell's equations? Just toggle to R1 for a step-by-step breakdown. Simple, intuitive, and totally tailored to your study style. Let's dive deeper with something called the prompt as syllabus method. Watch this. I have a genetics midterm covering Mendel's laws, DNA replication, and mutations. Give me brief summaries and 5 multiple-choice questions for each. Instantly, DeepSeek aligns perfectly with your syllabus. No wasted time, maximum results. Starting to feel like you've unlocked an academic cheat code? Because honestly, you just did. Real learning is about active recall. DeepSeek doesn't just summarize, it helps you memorize. Just type, create 40 flashcards from the summary in front-back format, and within seconds, you've got Anki-ready flashcards. Study smarter, not harder.
Ready for the pro-level moves? Use the layer cake approach to build understanding step by step, tweet length to seminar depth. Or try the exam mirror strategy. Upload last year's exam, and DeepSeek will create a fresh version tailored exactly like it. It's like previewing your next exam without any guilt, because hey, it's totally legit. Ever thought exams were unfair? Well, congratulations, you're now officially in control. DeepSeek isn't just another AI tool, it's your personal academic superpower. Imagine no longer drowning in endless readings or panicking before exams. Instead, picture yourself confidently mastering your coursework with ease and efficiency. And the best part? The solution is right here. Check out the detailed guides, exclusive tips, and comprehensive resources I've personally prepared for you. Links are in the description and pinned comment below. And remember, more than 80% of viewers still aren't subscribed, so hit subscribe, smash that like button, and ring the notification bell to stay ahead with the latest AI tools, tips, and strategies. Let's all graduate smarter, happier, and way less stressed. See you in the next video.